Morning world, welcome to Thursday 4th of July, election day. Been and done mine, just been over and taken Dad do his. Now I'm going to go and do some work. Now I'm off to a local farmer, not far from our tether farm, to look at some tree work for him, and then to his brother, I think, to look at some tree work for him, and then I'm into Frampton Cotterell to look at some tree work for somebody else. So I'll see you when I get back from that lot, and we're going to go and see if we can get some more bales in. So, because the weather looks good. Just been stopped by the recycling guy, and he's there going, come on, you can come past us. And I'm going past, I didn't want to run over you too. He goes, good God, it's Farmer P. And he said, are we on camera? I said, sorry, no, not on camera today. I said, but here, I'll have one of these. So I've given him one of my stickers. I said, stick that on your refuse wagon somewhere, see if anybody notices. He goes, all right then, all right. Oh, that's nice, isn't it? Just go out and have a laugh at people. Right, okay. I've got to make a phone call now, so I've got to turn the camera off again. I'll see you later. While we're here. Yeah, that's looking a little bit... I need to get on with that. That's definitely going past its sell-by date. I'll have a look at the weather later on. And while we're here, we'll also have a look at my grass in here. Yeah, we've got a fair bit of grass out there too. This wants mowing. I just want a week of dry. See, my neighbour's got a stinking bonfire going again. He is a dirty git. Oh, bloody hell. This is going to take some drying out here. There's loads of it. So I don't know if the camera's picking that up. That is our stinky neighbour. And that just never seems to go out that fire, so how on earth anybody else here puts up with that? I wouldn't live with it. That's not on. Dirty git. Anyway, a little wander out in the wheat. A lot of grass in this. Didn't really want the grass. But I think we've had issues with sprayers. And that, so the heads, they've improved a bit, but you know what? They don't feel very full. So we've had to make a decision this week whether to feed this crop and grow it on as a milling wheat or not and settle for a feed wheat. And I've of a mind. I mean, we're just on the cheesy, soft cheese. Yeah, I mean there is stuff in there. I don't think we want to go to the odd expense of throwing a load more nutrients at this to try and get it up to a milling wheat. Something I may regret when milling wheat prices go through the roof, if they do. But yeah, it is just starting to turn. So one of the other problems with going milling wheat is transport and fussy mills. We could spend the money and you're looking at probably another £40–50 an acre on trying to get this up to milling quality, but if I want to sell it for milling wheat, I also have to kind of be wary of covering the transport costs. So round here, it's either going to go down other side of Bristol or Liverpool. Liverpool's quite away from us, and if we send it all the way to Liverpool and they probe it and they decide it's not up to scratch, then we got to pay to bring it all the way back, and you end up with feed wheat anyway. It's just the risk. And are we going to get enough sun? Is the weather going to be right? Is the Hagberg going to be right? It's just too much has already gone wrong this year. I'm kind of going to err on the side of caution, I think, and rather than risk a load of money, which we could quite possibly lose, I think we're just going to settle for what we've got. So I think we're going to grow this on as a feed wheat, which means it can go to local markets. I could literally sell this, More Valley would buy it. I mean, and their store is literally a couple of miles that way, or a couple of miles that way. I ain't got to worry about transport. I ain't got to worry about things like the Hagberg. I haven't got to worry so much about getting that protein up above to the milling wheat. It's, yeah. I don't want to do any more risk this year. So, although in saying that, I'll get home and change my mind again. Or not. Did I mention I got a really stinky neighbour? I don't care if he likes it if I tell people or not. He's a stinker. Right, back at the farm, it's now 3:20, and I've not moved a single bale. I've not even gone down to see if they're dry and fit to move yet, because although I came back with the full intention of picking up and moving bales about, somebody beat me to the skid steer and Dad's tractor. So the guys had finished the job I'd given them. Bear in mind they've been there since Monday and it is now Thursday. They'd finished it by lunchtime. They were back and they got back here before me. So they drew dibs on the tractor and the skid steer. So Ewan and Stu are doing the back of the new truck.
Have you asked for permission?
Ask your permission what? To stand on my property?
No, to film me.
Yeah.
No paperwork.
So what we got in here? Bit of birch.
I did a funny a minute ago.
You did a funny.
Yeah, I got the courage to put pallet on top of that, but I got stuck and I literally done a wheelie.
Almost turned the thing over.
Did you do a wheelie?
Yeah, and it was quite high and I didn't like it.
Did your little body go like that?
Yes, it did. Oh, literally, I didn't do anything. I was like, I was like, why is it doing it?
Yeah. Okay. Yeah, it takes a while to get used to.
Yeah, and as you can see, the bag over there rips. And in my spare time, I will fill another bag.
Did you rip the bag?
Yeah.
Did you?
That's what I mean.
You've got more to take the confidence, don't you?
Well, I'm gonna.
So I was actually going to say, in your spare time, you're going to rebag the bag into the back of the Land Rover,
and then
take it home.
No.
Or no? Why didn't I think of that?
Martin, take note. I could be a man and accept that I've done a boo-boo there.
I got it on video, mate. You're this is done.
Did Martin never do that? Oh, I've done this.
No, he never admit. No, he blames you.
Yeah, I know.
Yeah. Martin, did you break that thing, Martin? No, it was Mikey.
Yeah, it was Mikey.
Yeah. Right. It was only a week ago I pushed that lot up.
Yeah, I know. That's like that job.
Well, I think you don't want it to get in front of you again, do you?
Heavy.
Yeah. When they get hundreds of tons of stuff in front of them, it's like, ooh. Well, that's nearly bad enough now, isn't it? Having that lot.
Yeah. Well,
Yeah.
isn't
Yeah. Oh well.
Oh, that's muddy, isn't it?
Yeah. You be careful, Martin's getting a sweat on there, mind.
Yeah, don't worry, he's next.
Yeah. Yeah.
Democracy.
Yeah, democracy. So what you do is you do 50-50. Martin likes bending over. Yeah.
Dirty man.
Bit more wood chip in the heap. They pushed it up in the wrong place. It's supposed to go around there. That's all right, I'll do it sometime or other. So yeah, so we've taken the top off of the Transit, and Ewan is currently flat out with my Milwaukee grinder cutter disc thingy, making some adjustments. I secretly think you're enjoying that. You are only pretending you're not enjoying it. You're going to make stuff. Yeah. Yeah, come here and yeah, okay. I'm not going to get too close because of sparks. You carry on, mate. But yeah, if we have you off about there, yeah, those two, and that one, you can have them off at the top of the post there. Yeah. We'll just leave this latch on, just temporary for now.
Might just leave on.
Oh, what, for that pin?
Just that little bit there.
All right, yeah.
A couple of centimetres.
Okay.
But yeah.
All right.
Righto.
Okay. Rightio. Right, and as for this lot, my steel pins that I use for driving into these things and testing the temperature, they're wound so tight, can't get them in. But when I was taking them on and off with the skid steer spikes went in lovely, like dry hay. You can usually tell. So I don't think they're hot. I'm just going to leave it another day, and well, I can't move anything. Maybe after 5 o'clock I could do something when they've gone home and I can get my skid steer and my tractor back. We'll see. But all this has got to be stacked in there tidy. And then when I've got the room back, we can go and fetch all the other bales from the bottom left-hand field. And then we'll look at I'll think about letting the cattle through there. They really, really want to go in there. They're bored where they are. Decisions. In other news, I had a phone call from our vets today. We're supposed to be having our TB test part 1 on the 15th, but the vet who's going to do it for us, Sam, has managed to get himself on the course that he wanted to go on to, so we brought it forward. It's now next Tuesday on the 9th, so we haven't got to wait quite so long to find out if we're still open or shut down. Or what I should have said is, still shut down or open. I knew what I meant, I just said it the wrong way round. Come on, you. Here you go. Right, it is 20 past 4. Guys will be packing up soon, so before they go home, I'm going to take them a little treat each. Because that's the kind of boss I am. Me, I've been in the house writing up all the quotes I did this morning, so which was quite good actually, because I went out and did 3, and 2 were confirmed verbally anyway, but I just got to do the paperwork for them. And 1, I'm pretty sure we're going to get that one too, so it's looking shorter. Yeah. It's definitely looking shorter.
Just making sure everything's all right.
Cut all the sharp bits off.
Yeah.
Right. Here.
Lock yourself in. Ooh, hello. Thanks very much.
Yeah, that's all right, no worries.
Oh, look at that, I tell you.
I should have liked it.
Stu!
Mark, you're not supposed to suck it, you're supposed to eat it.
I'll do.
Thank you very much.
He's all right. Well, bins, I got loads of them, and I can only eat one or 2 a month because it's a sickly.
Yeah.
So, eh?
You're used to having 3 things in your mouth, don't you?
Well, somebody sent me a box of 50. So, yeah.
Take off your goggles.
Yeah.
Oh, where did?
They're nice, aren't they?
Yeah, they are. Stu had them on. He's just left them there, look.
All right. Oh, was that because he was on the grinding?
Yeah.
All right. Okay.
Grinder.
Yeah. All right. Yeah.
Grind, right?
What grinding?
She could have got that, hadn't
Hey.
You know what he's like?
Yeah.
He's got me for
Yeah. That's for the bonus, that, isn't it?
And Martin can easily get in the back.
There's no, yeah. I didn't even know they were on there.
No, neither. I thought it was like, so I saw that, I thought it was like, there was going to be another one on this side.
Yeah.
A ramp type thing, but it's ladders. Makes it a bit easier.
Happy days.
I know.
Yeah.
You said about putting some steps on.
I did, but I don't need to now. Happy days. Right. Put some sheet sides on there, which we've got. We've got a load of this stuff that took off, so we're just going to cut it in half and put it back on again. There's a lot of girly laughter I could hear.
Because he pretended to punch that, but ended up punching the baby frame and hurting his hands.
You've already got a busted foot.
Hey, don't look away. He's looking at you.
Yeah.
Talk to him.
Don't look away.
Yeah. Got my D hat.
Yeah.
Yeah, dog camera, yeah.
It's on the record.
Hey, it's on record. It's on record. You did something silly.
Yeah.
Did you know? He messaged me the other day when you were away in Scotland. I was checking the cattle and he messaged me and said, "Morning, world."
Oh, did
He
he?
started talking to me, said, "Morning, world." The time is now. It's actually the right time as well.
Time is. Welcome to.
Yeah, well, that's what.
Yeah.
That's what he did. You
Yeah.
are a natural, to be fair.
Yeah. Well, when I snuff it, I'll give you the camera. You could take on the channel, all right? Yeah. Yeah.
No one's seen
Oh, no one wants to see me, mate. Don't you worry. You got youth on your side, or youth.
Oh, he's too,
Hold it there.
oh, and he's everything.
Exactly. The Sunday shirt.
Yeah, hold it. Yes.
Yeah, a nice few logs for the winter for somebody.
Nice bit of ash.
Yeah.
The birch is very stringy.
Stringy.
Yeah.
It's probably still full of sap, isn't it?
Yeah, it's wet.
Oh, that thing is so slow.
I know. I don't know. I swear it's quicker than this.
There's probably a evolve in here that you could take out,
Yeah.
and it's probably restrictors in here.
Yeah. Well, you don't want it too fast anyway, do you?
Yeah. We'll have his fingers off, won't you? Or you'll have yours off.
Yeah, you'll have mine off
Yeah.
by the time you could already got me earlier.
Welcome back. It is 7:30. Mrs. P went out with Holly an hour or so back. Left me at home by myself to get up to mischief. I didn't get up to a lot of mischief, so done a bit of video editing. So I've edited tomorrow's video. That's ready to go. So I've got one in the pot. I'm going to come down. I think we're going to have a look at maybe stacking some of these bales. It's one of those things where it's a fine line between stacking them too soon and then leaving them too long. And I think I'm kind of on the cusp of that now. So yeah, we're going to go and have a tidy up of some bales. Hopefully I'm going to squeeze between these two bales either side. These chops here I'm going to push in the corner, and then I'm going to see if I can get you up there. they actually feel a lot better than they did the other day. When I stacked, I didn't stack as many as this, but when I was stacking them a few days ago, pushing the spikes into the side of the bale, there was a lot more resistance, and usually that's a good sign of a little bit damp. But this time, not only are the spikes going in easy, they're also coming out easy. So yeah, I'm feeling a lot more confident now that these are, they can't have been that wet. I think they were just wound tight and they've had the time maybe just to relax a little bit. I mean, do bales do that? Do bales relax? So we're going to continue on now, stacking in here, probably this bay, and then I think, only problem is, tree team is still in the 695. They put it back in the other barn with a log splitter on, right at the back of the barn. So if I want to get that out, it's 20 to 8. If I want to get that out, I've got to get the log splitter off and then move all the vehicles out of the barn to get the tractor out. I'll think about it. Wobbly on top, but I think we'll get away with it. Well, that's tidied the place up a bit, isn't it? I seem to have pushed a lot of my wrap that way, so we'll have to pull a bit of it this way. There. Or not. One day, we'll have a proper tidy out in here. We'll sand the floor, membrane it, concrete it. Hopefully one day, before I snuff it. So tomorrow, apparently, we've got some rain. It's going to start 4 o'clock in the morning and 7 o'clock. And then between 10 o'clock and 4 o'clock, dry again. I'm just wondering whether I take the skid steer down now, put a load on the trailer, because the trailer's already in the field, bring one back up, that'll be 19, and then go down with the case. At least that's a load back up, isn't it? A load in the dry. I mean, what else am I going to do? Sit on my ass and watch telly? Let's do that. Let's do a load. So what I'll probably do is I'll get a bunch of bales from the inside of the middle of the field, stuff that I know wasn't off the headland. Hang on, I'm just going to push this gate up in a minute. A bit more, go on, right a bit more, there you go. Get that up. I mean, who knows, maybe I'll do two, but at the moment I've got intentions of doing just the one. So it'll be another 19 or 20 bales undercover tonight before it rains. might put these on the trailer slightly differently though. Felt wet then. It's not going to start raining yet, is it? I'm going to start loading from the back because I know this trailer has a tendency, although the ground isn't that soft, a tendency to sink the foot in. So yeah, I'll put a bit of weight on the back. Oh, I can feel rain. Yeah, I might be foiled. We'll see. Looking pretty black here. If it starts chucking out rain, I'll have to take a load of them off the trailer again. That would be a bind, wouldn't it? Feel nice though to spike up. There is no resistance at all. Heavy wet bales, I probably wouldn't be able to do this. There's definitely spots of rain coming down now, so I think I'm probably gonna get a couple more on there and then get these up before that big horrible black cloud over there that looks like it's full of water gets up here. Kind of cleared the middle of the field, so I got to travel whichever way I go now, so we'll have two from the middle down here. Yeah, that'll do. I think I'll grab these two up from the top here now, although these are headland bales. And I'll carry two up with me, and then that'll be 20 in tonight, so that won't be too bad going. Load and a half tomorrow if it's dry enough. We'll see you back at the farm. I'll drop these two off, run in the house, get the tractor keys, go then and fetch that. Bring this trailer up, get it unloaded. That'll probably be it for tonight. I don't think I'm going to get any more done. I think that rain is going to get here a bit early. having it yet. No, this isn't for you. No, no, you'll have to wait till later in the year. You, get and have a calf. You got plenty left in there. You don't need any more. Guts. What are you doing lying there by yourself? Hey, what are you doing in there? He looks bright enough. I don't think I need to be concerned. That's little bull calf. So, probably still got a bit of a sore bum. Someone decided when she saw me pick these up that she was coming with. Come on in. Where are you? Come on, up you go. Go on, up in your bed. On your bed. Good girl. Right, I haven't really got time to...
The White House pushback.
Do my warm up. And he's up and about. And he's just had a squirty poo, so. Right, well anyway, our TB test has been brought forward nearly a week. So Sam the vet will be having a look at him while he's here. We'll be making a good final decision then as to whether or not we're gonna have his nads off or not. So I think we probably will, but you never know. I'm not 100%, just about 90. Right, I still need you to go over there a bit. Go on. Thank you. Stay there. Stay. Right, we got quite a few spots of rain on the window now, so I'm not panicking, but I am a little bit twitchy about it, so I need to get these in before they get wet. Look at it. That is black as over there. But the thing is, I haven't taken the net off the far end of the barn, so it's not like I can even take them straight into the barn. I don't think they're going to go under the roof. Well, then they might. It'll be tight. Go on, down you go. Got it. I think we're going to get away with it. Will we? Hey? Yeah. The odd spot of rain won't really do any harm. I just don't want them getting a soak in before I put them in the shed. Not only that, I don't want to be putting them in the shed while it's piddling down with rain, because that's going to make a mess. I'm also going to get wet because I've taken the perspex screen out of the roof of the skid steer so I can see up through the grill better. But there's not many, it won't take long to get these off. Keep it tight. You can stay in here for a minute, right? You can watch from there. Here you are. You can have that bit. Don't say never give anything. So I think the main job with this is just going to be get them in, because that rain is coming this way. So I'm just going to stack them in twos, loosely in the bottom with a bit of air gap round them. I'm going to let these breathe for the night as well, and then I can always stack them again tomorrow once the outside is dried out. They're actually dry, it's just the bit of the bale that was in contact with the floor is damp. So, but that is going to be predominantly the bottom side, so as I tip the bales up, it's going to be the side facing me. So yeah, just chuck them in loose for tonight, and then they're in the dry, done. Right, that's another load in the dry. You're right, comfy? Good. Right, let's put this under cover and call it a night. Done. Come on. There you go. Go girl. Okay. Hello, darling. You all right? Hey? So the barn is gradually filling up. So we have got 71, I think, is in there now. So there's about another 30 odd to pick up from down there, another 70 to pick up from up there. So it won't be long. And bearing in mind we haven't started the other farm yet. So we're going to have at least this amount again, at least. So we're going to fill up all all 4 bays will be filled up, and then we're going to be overflowing into that chap there. So yeah, but you can see the probably, well, I expect you can see the colour. So that's dry, that's damp, but only where it's been in with the ground. So yeah, we're just going to leave them like that with a bit of air gap round them, bit of space, and if they have to, they can sweat out overnight and for tomorrow. Right, okay. It's 20 to 9. Mrs. P still not home yet. I might have to go and make my own tea. I think it's too late to thaw out a steak. Yeah, I'm gonna get found out, aren't I? A bit late for a steak as well. I'll never sleep, so I'll be sensible and have something. I'll think of something. See you tomorrow.